In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a view in Airtable. If you're looking to tailor your workflow to better fit your project needs, customizing your view in Airtable can make all the difference. So, let's get started. First off, open your web browser and navigate to Airtable's website. If you haven't logged into Airtable yet, you'll want to click on the Sign In button, which you can find at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. After you've entered your information, hit continue and you'll be taken to the Airtable dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here you can see all of your Airtable bases, essentially your projects or databases. Find the base you want to work on and give it a click. This will open up your base and present you with all the tables associated with it. Now that you're inside your desired base, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice a section called Views. This is where you can really start to customize how your information is displayed. Click on Views to expand your options. You'll see different types of views such as Grid, Calendar, Kanban, and more. Depending on the nature of your data and the task at hand, choose the view that best suits your needs. For example, a grid view might be great for spreadsheet-like data, while a Kanban view is perfect for workflow management. Next, with your view selected, let's dive into personalizing it further. Click on the filter option. This handy feature lets you sift through vast amounts of data by showing you only what you need. Perhaps you're looking for entries from a specific date or records assigned to a certain team member. Set your filters accordingly to refine your view. If you're working with categories or looking to organize your data into more digestible chunks, the group feature will be immensely helpful. By clicking on group, you can segment your information based on different fields. Say you're tracking a project with various stages, grouping by status can provide a clearer picture of progress across the board. Lastly, ensure your data aligns with your priorities by clicking on sort. This allows you to arrange your entries based on certain criteria, whether you want to prioritize by deadline, alphabetical order, or any specific numerical value. Organizing your data efficiently helps in keeping your workflow smooth and your objectives clear. And there you have it. You've now personalized your Airtable view, tailoring it to perfectly fit your project's needs. Whether you're managing a simple task list or a complex project, customizing your views can significantly enhance your overall productivity. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore other features in Airtable, and as always, thanks for watching.